Welcome to the channel once again. This video today is about the Hypercycle community on the Base network. I was looking over my wallet and I realized that instead of 3 node factories, I have only 2 on my wallet and only 2 show here in the DApp. But when I go over to the node market, it shows 3 type of so I'm missing something. So Azulene, that I want to give a shout out to and say thank you very much for all the help you give to the community. Also Ray and Mauricio, Hypercycle DAO, they help a lot of people. So I want to unwrap it. So where I go, you normally hover around these 3 dots and they will give you option, but I don't have this option, this ANFE specifically, because it's already unwrapped. So I go over to the next ANFE and here we see that option unwrap. So you're gonna just click over there. I'm gonna open this screen for you. You're gonna click proceed and then you go unwrap ANFE. Pretty much a straightforward process. So now you're gonna sign the transactions and your wallet just will open and you just confirm the transaction on your wallet. And here show it is unwrapped. You have successfully unwrapped one Hypercycle, one thing to a one Hypercycle on node market. So job done, exactly what we want to do. So now you need to go to your wallet and check if your ANFEs are there and make what you want to do. Sometimes we want to subscribe it to HMS, or sometimes we want to do other stuff. Happiness and prosperity for all of us, and I see you in the next tutorial. Please see descriptions for more updated videos and also how to build your node factory. I see you soon. Bye.